Yeah. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Al Hassan here. Now, in this video, I just want to take you through the compensation plan of AIOP, all-in-one profits. Well, the all-in-one profits compensation plan is one of the best in the world, one of the best that everyone can take advantage of and build huge income from home. Now, this one is based on an even up system. The fact is that what makes it so special, it is so because it is unique and works for everybody. Okay? It works for everybody. It works for everybody. I will leave the link in the description of the video. You can come find it out for yourself. Okay? This is it. This one, how it works is that you pass up all even referrals. Okay? You also keep all your odd or uneven referrals. This means what? The 1, 3, 5, 7 up to infinity on every odd is what? You maintain it. Okay? You maintain it for yourself. And then all the even referrals, you are 2, 4, 6, and up to infinity, even referrals are passed up to your sponsor. This means that you give and it shall be given unto you too. The same way you are passing up your even referrals to your sponsor, the same way others are also passing up their even referrals to you. And remember, every referral, all the referral that you keep is forming a new baseline for you, and every even referral that your downline pass up to you are also forming new lines for you. And this can go huge and wide and can actually make huge difference of income that you can imagine. It's very easy. Very easy. So let me just play the video for you. Okay? One of the simplest. Okay, let me pause it. So as I'm just saying, it's very simple and everybody can leverage this. This is worldwide. Okay? Okay. Is our compensation plan a MLM as you know it? No, it's not an LLM as you know it by NML definition. It is not a matrix, pyramid. There's nothing like that. This one is very unique and everybody can take advantage of it. Okay? Everyone can take advantage of it. You see, this just costs only $10. Why? $10 per month. And your first referral that you make, you have broken even. Okay? Just $10 and your first referral covers your monthly subscription. That's where the power then begins. You begin receiving pass-ups, and each of the pass-ups that is given to you is also forming another pay line for you up to infinity. Okay? So I'll leave the link in the video. You can check it out. The things is very easy to do here. This pays you 100% commissions and unlimited residual income. If you just visit the site, you can just click on join. You click on join. You see my name. Hassan. Let me log in to show you something. Okay, this is very easy here. So this is just my new admin area. This is my new admin area. So let me just show you this. If you come, okay, this is my link for instance. If you come and then click join, you see my name Al Hassan. Okay, Al Hassan. You just sign up. It's very easy to follow. Okay, so that's very interesting. I'll leave the link in the description of the video. You check it out. When you join, we have a group, a Facebook group, a team that is very helpful to all newbies, and people are loving it. You will love it. We have weekly bonuses that are given out to members, free marketing tools, and so on and so forth. Everything is very easy for us here. We have what? Very good leaders who are helping. So I hope to see you inside. And I will leave my contact details. If you need any help, let me know. Thank you.